Hello class, welcome. My name is Lina and I'm your teacher today. We're gonna learn Romanian language. Please sit down. Is everyone here? Let's make the presents. Let's see here. Mare Reed? Okay. Helen Canaris? Alright. Di Jasmine? Yes. Heng Meow? Right. Gatam Raz? Can be fit? Yes. Taichu? Where are you? Oh, you are there in the back? Okay. Dutchman? Yes. Set? Set? No? Let's see. Who is missing? Oh. Action Kid? Where is Action Kid? Look here. This kid is always missing. I will have to give him an F. He's failing Romanian. Alright. For everyone that is here, welcome. Thank you so much. Please pay attention. And let's start our lesson. Please take your notes and a paper and type what I am typing here on this board, okay? Okay, so we're gonna learn the basics of greetings. How we say hello. We have two options that are informal, and you can say this to anyone that you meet on the streets, wherever you meet. You can say like this. Bună. Bună. As you can see, it's very short, very simple to remember. Bună. And we will also have salut. 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 Alright? Okay. Let's do it together. Repeat after me. Bună. Bună. Salut. Salut. Alright. Very good. Very good. So we're gonna learn now the formal ways to greet someone. How we say good day, which is basically the main greetings in the day. So you say like this. Bună ziua. Bună ziua. As you can see, we have again bună, which is hello, and we have ziua. Ziua. Ziua means day. Okay? Bună ziua. You type there. Bună ziua. So now, let's see. Now, how we say good afternoon? Bună după amiaza. Bună după amiaza. Bună după amiaza. As you notice, it's a bit longer and maybe a bit harder to remember, but with a bit of patience, you're gonna learn very fast. Bună, again we have hello, după amiaza. După, after, după. Amiaza, afternoon, amiaza. Amiaza. Okay? Very well. How we say good evening? Bună seara. Bună seara. Bună seara. We have bună again as hello. And seara means evening. Bună seara! Alright? You got it? Well done. And please now type this. How we say good night? Noapte bună! Noapte bună! Noapte bună! We have noapte, means night. And bună you already know by now. Noapte bună! Okay. Now let's see again all that we learned so far. Okay? Bună or salut, which means hello. And the formal ways. Bună ziua! Good day. Bună după amiaza! Good afternoon. Bună seara! Good evening. Good night is? Let's see. Who can say it? You, there. Mari read. Yeah. How you say good night? Bravo. Well done. Vaichu. How we say good evening? Very well, very well. Bravo, bravo. I like the way you pay attention. So now, I want you to go home and remember this perfectly, okay? Next time we meet, I want you to tell me everything you learn. Alright? I'm going to keep it short. And if you want to learn more, tune in next time here, okay? Your teacher Lina is going to be here for you, teaching you Romanian. Be good and do your homeworks, because I might give a test. Alright. Class dismissed. Bye-bye.